Okay, so I have a bug that's happening with my character where I kind of found out what was happening, but my input is breaking. So right now it's working, no problems. I can keep pressing play and stop, and it works every single time. You can see it happening in console as well. It's logging the inputs. And then if I start selecting other things, it works fine as well. What I discovered is when I select the player, it will work once, and then if I press stop and then play again, it breaks every time. So the first time it'll work, stop, when I press play it'll be broken. And it's not taking any inputs. You can see if I press play again, it's still broken, and it just gets stuck like that. The only way I've found to be able to fix this is if I just have to reload the scene and it's working again. I need to make sure that I don't have the player selected when I do this, because if I select the player again, it works once, stop, play again, it's broken. I have no idea what's causing this.